This is Gajanan Maharaj Bhakt Nivas, and it's really beautiful. Come inside. This is the temple of Gajanan Maharaj. Gajanan Maharaj was a big personality, and he was blessed with the blessings of Shree Narmada. Here is the parking. You may see a lot of people are there. This is the way, and see how clean this is. The temple is really very beautiful, and it's made with the Dravid architecture. So here is the temple, and you may see this is the way for all the buildings, building number 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the booking office. Booking office plus Bhakt Nivas Kram number 1. This is the building number 1 as well. This is the building number 2. Here is the beautiful temple. It's really very beautiful, and from inside you just can't believe how beautiful this is. It's very beautiful. This is building number 3. Building number 2, I'm sorry. This is building number 3, and we are staying there only. She is Devi Ahilyabai Holkar, and she was a very big deity of Lord Shiva. Krishna. It's really beautiful. It's really amazing. See how beautiful the temple is. And this is the way to the canteen. Canteen is very neat and clean, and you have to be with bare feet, otherwise you will not be allowed to enter inside. It's very neat and clean. You just can go inside bare feet. I'm not going over there. This is the building, and this is the canteen. I'm in a big hurry now because we have to leave for Ujjain. And this is our building. It's very neat and clean, lovely. See how nice the Rath is. How beautiful this is. So he is Gajanan Maharaj, and he established this Sansthan, and they have a number of branches in other cities as well, and the big branch is in Shegaon in Maharashtra. So you may read the story here. So he was blessed with the blessings of Shree Narmada. These are the halls where you can stay. You can take a bed in as cheap as ₹50 only, and it's really very not cheap. It's actually very good. It's very good and affordable. So these are the halls and the other buildings, and now come inside. This is the entrance of our building. See, every time the people here, they used to clean the houses and the premises in a very good manner. This is our room number 8. Here's my mom, my dad. See, the condition of the bathroom and everything is very neat and clean. You will see English toilet. Bye bye.